Hey there, I'm Kelly with Live Better Tips at Centric, and today I have a few tips for filing a claim with your insurance company. First up, take pictures. Take photos of anything that could be claimed on your homeowner's insurance or auto if applicable. Second, definitely make a claim. If you can't get through to your insurance company by phone, many companies offer ways to make a claim online or even through their app. Third tip, make temporary repairs. Take reasonable steps to protect your property from further damage. Fourth tip, keep your receipts. Save all of your receipts for what you spend and submit them to your insurance company for reimbursement. And finally, prepare for your adjuster's visits. Your insurance company may send you a proof of loss form to complete, or an adjuster may visit your home first. While this isn't a topic anyone ever wants to deal with, Centric has you covered with these tips and so much more at mycentric.org.